We did a pretty good job cleaning out those woods, at least the little stuff. We decided, though, that we needed to call in for reinforcements to take care of these big trees.
Yeah. But did you see what they brought? I want one.
So the plan today is to use this to knock down all of those. You can stop petting the excavator now.
Come on, Kai, relax.
How hard do you think it's going to be to literally push these trees over?
90% of them, it'll do it in one swipe.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I mean, some of these are big.
Yeah, well, hence the other 10%.
No. And here we go. I guess that's how you delimb a standing tree without a chainsaw. Ah, there it goes. Holy cow.
Oh, you want to too much.
He literally just pushed that tree over. Oh. He just ripped it out from the roots.
Oh, you go.
We totally could have done that.
I could have rented that and done this.
I'm glad that we're having an expert do this.
All right. So what we're going to be doing is cutting off all the limbs and whatnot, cut the ball off, and we're going to try and cut them in maybe 10-foot sections and save what we can because maybe we'll use them. I'm trying to convince Miss Michelle to purchasing a sawmill. Let me help you there again.
We'll see.
Woohoo! I heard that.
Just for some perspective, how long do you think this tree was?
Was probably, I don't know, maybe 50, 60 feet.
Oh, there goes another one. Just like that.
All right. Come on.
So fun to watch.
We have work to do.
Okay. Oh, there goes another one. Sorry, trees. Okay, there's our job. It's gonna be a long day. I think he's gonna be done a lot sooner than we are.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
His skid steer seems so tiny in comparison. He's not gonna like that I said that. Our first batch. This is a big one. There it goes. Now that's how you bring down a tree. We've got a lot of cleanup work to do. He's way down there, and we're still here.
Yeah, we're a little behind.
A little bit.
Somebody's videoing.
Oh, it's so fun to watch. I can't stop watching. All right, I'm here to help now.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, I'm videoing you now.
I've noticed.
Okay, here I come.
Cut.
That's some nice cedar.
Yeah.
Look at that.
This is a good sized. This was a good sized tree.
Yeah, we're making slow progress. Let's go see what he's been up to. Wow.
I haven't even taken the time to look. It looks very different in here.
There you are. I couldn't even see you behind these stumps. Root balls.
Hello.
Look at that. A very quick lunch and we are back at it.
Yep.
More cleanup. Lots more cleanup. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. It's the end of day 1 of tree day.
Yeah, it was a long day.
This is how much we got cleaned up. Here is the state of our forest now.
Here's the state of our property. It's a mess.
Ooh, it is a mess. Tomorrow you and I will do some more cleanup.
Yep.
More tomorrow. Here's one half of what we have to do today. And here's the other. We got this.
Yeah. Yeah.
This root ball is as tall as I am.
Yeah.
I guess that's not saying that much, but hey.
I didn't want to say it, but
We got it. Now, only about, I don't know, 60 more to go. It's gonna be a long day. We're heading toward the end of another day. More trees have come down, and now we're trying to clean up the brush with a lot of burning going on. We have so much more to go. More tomorrow.
I've been very busy.
Yes, you have. What are you going to do with all this lumber? I should not have asked that question.
So, I mean, since we have all this wood, I mean, it only makes sense to get a sawmill, right? And, you know, you should really look at the Lucas mill because it looks really awesome. So, tell me in the comments, you know, how smart it would be to get a nice Lucas mill for this place. How much wood I could lumber up.
You're gonna go ahead and clean up the rest of these trees, and then we have to move on.
Yes.
Because it is well past time for us to head over here now and get these ground mounts in.
Yes.
So stay tuned, because next up, ground mounts are going in the ground.
Yep.
In the meantime, thanks for watching. Back to work.
We have work to do.
If you enjoy our videos, we'd really appreciate it if you would take a second and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. And until next time, like our farm sign says, just keep growing.